For centuries, dinosaurs were imagined as scaly reptilian giants. This image was deeply ingrained in our collective imagination, fueled by early fossil discoveries and popular media. The idea of these colossal creatures roaming the earth with their tough, scaly hides was both fascinating and terrifying. However, this long-held image was shattered with a groundbreaking discovery in 1996. Paleontologists working in China unearthed a fossil that would change everything we thought we knew about dinosaurs. The fossil belonged to a small dinosaur called Sinosauropteryx. This discovery was nothing short of revolutionary. Sinosauropteryx possessed something completely unexpected: feathers. These weren't just any feathers, but well-preserved structures that indicated a complex and diverse integumentary system. This revelation revolutionized our understanding of dinosaurs. It suggested that feathers were not exclusive to birds, but were also present in their dinosaur ancestors. The discovery blurred the lines between reptiles and birds, showing a more intricate evolutionary relationship than previously thought. It indicated that the characteristics we associate with modern birds had deep roots in the dinosaur lineage. This wasn't an isolated incident. The discovery of Sinosauropteryx was just the beginning. Numerous feathered dinosaur fossils began to emerge from various parts of the world, including China, North America, and Germany. Each new find added more pieces to the puzzle, painting a more detailed picture of these ancient creatures. These discoveries painted a vibrant picture of the past. Dinosaurs were no longer seen as just scaly behemoths, but as dynamic creatures with diverse appearances. Dinosaurs weren't just scaly behemoths. Many were adorned with a variety of feathers, ranging from simple filaments to more complex structures. The variety of feathers found on these fossils was astonishing. Some were simple, hair-like structures, while others were more complex, resembling the feathers of modern birds. These weren't the feathers we see on modern birds. They range from simple filaments to complex structures, each serving different purposes. Some feathers were simple filaments providing insulation or display functions. Others were more complex, hinting at the evolutionary pathways that would eventually lead to the feathers we see on birds today. Some even resembled the downy feathers of chicks, suggesting that these structures could have played a role in thermoregulation or other vital functions. This diversity hinted at the multifaceted roles feathers played in dinosaur evolution. They were not just for flight, but also for insulation, display, and possibly even camouflage. The discovery of feathered dinosaurs was more than just finding a new fossil. It was a paradigm shift that forced scientists to rethink everything they knew about these ancient creatures. It was like opening a window into a past we thought we knew. The more we discovered, the more we realized how complex and diverse the world of dinosaurs truly was. These discoveries forced us to completely rethink our understanding of these magnificent creatures. They were not just the scaly giants of our imagination, but dynamic feathered beings that played a crucial role in the evolutionary history of life on Earth. The presence of feathers on non-avian dinosaurs, those that aren't birds, tells a fascinating evolutionary tale. These ancient creatures, which roamed the Earth millions of years ago, provide us with a window into the past, revealing the intricate processes of evolution that have shaped life as we know it today. It pushes the origin of feathers back millions of years, long before birds took to the skies. This discovery has revolutionized our understanding of how feathers evolved, showing that they were not initially developed for flight but had other important functions. Feathers didn't evolve for flight initially, they served other purposes. Early dinosaurs, like the small feathered theropods, likely used their simple hair-like feathers for insulation. These primitive feathers were crucial for regulating their body temperature, especially in varying climates. Early dinosaurs likely used their simple hair-like feathers for insulation. This adaptation was essential for survival, as it allowed these creatures to maintain a stable internal temperature, which is vital for metabolic processes. This was crucial for regulating their body temperature. Just as modern birds fluff their feathers to stay warm, these early dinosaurs used their primitive feathers to insulate themselves against the cold. As dinosaurs diversified, so did their feathers. Over millions of years, feathers evolved into a variety of forms, each adapted to different functions and environments. This diversification is a testament to the versatility and adaptability of feathers as a biological trait. They evolved into more complex structures. From simple filaments, feathers gradually developed into intricate branching structures that could serve a multitude of purposes beyond insulation. These feathers served new purposes like camouflage and display. For instance, some dinosaurs used their feathers to blend into their surroundings, providing them with a crucial advantage in avoiding predators or sneaking up on prey. The evolution of feathers showcases a classic example of exaptation. This is where a trait that evolved for one function gets co-opted for a new purpose. Feathers, initially meant for insulation, were later adapted for display and camouflage, and eventually, for flight. This is where a trait that evolved for one function gets co-opted for a new purpose. In the case of feathers, their initial role in temperature regulation was just the beginning of their evolutionary journey. The intricate, branching structures of feathers, initially meant for insulation or display, eventually became instrumental for flight. This transition marks one of the most significant evolutionary developments in the history of life on Earth. This gradual transition highlights the incredible power of natural selection. Over countless generations, small changes accumulated, leading to the sophisticated feather structures we see in modern birds today. It can transform existing features into remarkable adaptations for entirely new roles. The story of feather evolution is a powerful reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of life on our planet, showcasing the endless possibilities of adaptation and survival. Feathers weren't just for show. They were an integral part of a dinosaur's life, serving multiple purposes that were crucial for their survival and daily activities. They played a crucial role in the lives of dinosaurs, influencing everything from their ability to stay warm to their social interactions. Their functions were diverse and went far beyond simply enabling flight. In fact, many feathered dinosaurs couldn't fly at all, yet their feathers were indispensable. One of the primary functions was insulation. Feathers provided a layer of warmth, much like a down jacket does for us today. This was especially important for smaller dinosaurs or those living in colder climates. The insulating properties of feathers helped them maintain their body heat, ensuring they could survive in harsh conditions. Imagine a small dinosaur braving the snow. Its feathers would act as a natural barrier against the cold, much like how modern birds fluff up their feathers to stay warm. Camouflage was another vital function. Feathered dinosaurs could blend seamlessly into their surroundings, making it easier for them to avoid predators or sneak up on prey. The ability to blend in was crucial for survival. In dense forests or open plains, the right feather patterns could mean the difference between life and death. This helped them avoid predators or ambush prey. A well-camouflaged dinosaur could lie in wait, almost invisible until the perfect moment to strike. Feathers were also critical for communication. Brightly colored feathers, especially during courtship displays, could attract mates. These displays were not just about beauty, but also about showcasing health and vitality. During the mating season, a dinosaur with vibrant feathers would stand out, signaling to potential mates that it was a strong and healthy partner. They could also intimidate rivals. In confrontations, a display of feathers could make a dinosaur appear larger and more threatening, deterring potential challengers. Some dinosaurs even possessed feathers with unique patterns and shapes. These distinctive features likely served as species recognition signals, helping them identify their own kind in a diverse ecosystem. In a world teeming with different species, being able to recognize and communicate with their own kind was essential for social cohesion and survival. The versatility of feathers underscores their evolutionary significance. From insulation and camouflage to communication and species recognition, feathers were a multifaceted tool that played a pivotal role in the lives of dinosaurs, showcasing the incredible adaptability and complexity of these ancient creatures.